welcome back to my channel. So from the title you can see I'll be doing an unboxing video today. This is my first little PR package that I've ever received, and my first PR package is something I've really wanted for like the longest time, so it's just perfect, you know, like I've wanted this for so long. Just really excited. I went to collect it this morning and I'm dying to open it, and I didn't because I want to open it with you guys. So I was just like hurrying to do everything. I ate my breakfast quickly, I showered quickly, I did everything quickly so I could just come and open it with you guys. So yeah, let's go because I'm ready. So it's from Vanity Planet. It's their ultimate skin spa facial cleansing system, and this is what the box looks like. Just a very simple box. Ooh, I got the pink one. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So it comes with a little, you know, that little instruction manual guide thingy. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna need batteries. I think I have batteries in my room. I'm gonna have to go through this when I'm done. This is what it looks like. Has Vanity Planet right here. It's kind of big though, like I never knew it would be this big. It's this long. It's bigger than I expected it to be, but that's fine. So when you open it, you have this silicone head right here. You have this other one. Wow, these are so soft. Oh my goodness. And then this other head that's already on the brush. Yeah, it doesn't have batteries. I'm gonna need batteries. It has VP right here, and it's white with a little pink strip. This brush set actually retails for 130 US, and they sent it to me for free. I'm so excited. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box. So I'm just gonna go through the manual and look at what it's saying, because I need to understand these brushes and see which brush I should use for what day and all of that. But first I'm gonna look if I have some batteries. I used to have some, you know, I think I carried them home. I don't even have anything in my room that uses batteries. Oh, I have something. I have this light thingy right here. I bought it on Amazon. I don't know. I'll use these batteries. Oh no, Jesus. It's the wrong size. The features are thoroughly removes hard to get makeup and sweat, deep cleans to sweep away dirt, debris, and dead skin cells. It includes 3 brush heads for an all-around cleanse. Dual speed rotating head purifies to reveal radiant skin, and a travel case for on-the-go routines, blah blah blah. The Vanity Planet Ultimate Skin Spa is a dual speed spin brush that purifies your skin to help reveal your natural glow. With 3 attachable brush heads, cleansing facial brush, exfoliating facial brush, and silicone facial brush, it ensures all your facial care needs are met. Its convenient travel case keeps your set clean and collected, perfect for traveling or tossing in your gym bag. With 2 speed settings, you can use the lower speed for a gentle topical cleanse or the higher speed for deeper exfoliation. Get ready to step up your beauty game. Whoa, I'm so ready. So ready. And then it says, stay pretty and go get 'em. I will, Vanity Planet. The brush head that already came on it this brush is the cleansing facial brush, and this is what it looks like. And if you put it on, it rotates. This is the lowest speed, and then it can go a bit higher. So you can see it's going faster. So off, low, high. This brush is so soft. Bombot! Can't wait to go wash my face, Jono. Alright, so I popped this head off. I'm gonna put this silicone head on because it's just looking so fun. Like, oh my goodness, my this is really gonna step up my beauty game, I swear. So this is the soft setting, the low setting rather, and then high. I'm gonna feel it. Oh. Oh. Wow. I'm literally gonna go wash my face right after this. This brush is called their exfoliating facial brush. So this is setting 1. This is setting 2. Oh yes, wow, I can actually feel the bristles are a bit, I don't know, I feel something like rougher than this one. Like I could feel this one have a little, this one is a bit rougher than this one. It's not hard on the skin though, you know, but I'm saying like you can actually feel the difference between this and this one. Like you can feel that this is the one for exfoliating. I feel like it's a bit coarser, a little bit coarser. Yep, definitely. Oh god, I'm so happy they sent me the pink one. This is so cute. This is the best thing that has happened to me since April. My names are right here on the screen, right here, for Instagram and Snapchat. So add me and follow me, and you know, like let's be buddies. Let's be friends. Just make sure you're subscribed because you guys are watching my videos and you're not subscribing. It's not hard to, like, if you don't have an account, all you have to do is just like when you're on YouTube, just press sign in. Just click it, and if you have a Gmail account, you can just sign in with your Gmail, or you can just create a new account, and it really isn't long. All you have to do is just put in your name, birthday, some little, you know, stuff, and you have a YouTube account, because you can't subscribe without a YouTube account. So if you don't have one, please go make one and subscribe and join the family and hit the little bell so you'll be notified when I upload. Yeah. So I try to wash my face with them and now I'm blind. You guys need to subscribe for that. Hit that subscribe button because I'm about to go blind for you guys. Oh god.